hope you all have fulfilled your Christmas traditions, and well, yeah, let's hope that 2025 is a lot better year than, well, let's just hope that 2025 is a lot better of a year than 2020 and 2021. I really do not want people to start COVID again, not at all.
That'd be so nice. Stay inside, sleep.
Okay, that's really pretty. Don't know if you can see, but it's just like all waving up like the Newton's Cradle video that I posted the other day. Okay, that's also a bit satisfying. There we go. For entertainment purposes only, a few